Some choices are simple paper or plastic, coffee or tea. But for growers, the seed you plant is a decision that shapes your future. For many, it's a fork in the road. One path leads to GMO's modern, efficient, promising bigger harvests and less hassle. The other path is non-GMO, rooted in tradition, independence, and the freedom to save your own seeds. Do you choose high-tech solutions for higher yields or stick with methods that give you total control? This isn't just philosophy, it's about your wallet and your workload. We're going to dig into how these seeds are made, what they mean for your farm, and what's really at stake. No corporate spin, no protest signs, just the real story from lab to field. We'll look at numbers, talk about pests, weeds, and profits, and try to separate fact from fiction. I'm not here to tell you what to do, just to give you a clear look at both sides. My goal is to arm you with facts and the right questions, because at the end of the day, you're the one who lives with the consequences. This is about giving you a better map so you can choose the path that fits your land and your life. Let's get started. Let's break down how these seeds are made. Non-GMO seeds come from selective breeding, choosing the best plants, crossing them, and hoping for better traits over generations. It's slow, hands-on, and relies on nature's own genetic deck. That's how we got from wild grasses to today's crops. GMO seeds, on the other hand, are made in the lab. Scientists find a useful gene, maybe from a bacterium or another plant, and insert it directly into the crop's DNA. It's precise, like surgery, not matchmaking. The goal? Give the plant a new ability like pest resistance or herbicide tolerance in a single generation. It's a shortcut, but the aim is the same: a better, more resilient plant. Both methods are about helping growers succeed, just with different tools. Let's get practical. Do these technologies really help in the field? Take pests. Bt corn lets farmers skip most insecticide sprays and boosts yields by up to 10%. For weeds, Roundup Ready crops made it easy to kill weeds without harming the crop and helped more farmers adopt no-till practices. But nature fights back. Some pests resist Bt, and superweeds now survive glyphosate, forcing farmers to use more chemicals or till again. Non-GMO growers rely on crop rotation, cover crops, and more labor to manage pests and weeds, often with lower yields. What about profits? GMO seeds cost more, but often pay off with higher yields and lower pesticide bills. Studies show GMO adoption can boost profits by over 60% for large-scale farmers. But for small or organic growers, the premium for non-GMO crops might make more sense. It all depends on your operation. Are GMOs safe? Every major scientific body says yes, GMO foods are as safe as non-GMO. The scary headlines? Discredited. But environmental questions remain. Glyphosate use has soared with GMO crops, raising concerns about soil health and farm worker safety. On the plus side, GMOs have enabled no-till farming, reducing erosion and carbon loss. Bt corn also means less insect damage and fewer toxic mycotoxins in food. Biodiversity is a real worry. Monocultures make our food supply vulnerable, but that trend started before GMOs. The challenge for all growers is to protect genetic diversity for the future. There are always trade-offs. So, how do you decide what to plant? Start with your biggest challenge. Is it a pest, a weed, or something else? What's your business model? Commodity crops or direct-to-consumer? Do you have the time and labor for non-GMO methods, or the capital for GMO seeds? And what are your values? Independence, tradition, efficiency, or innovation? There's no right answer, just what fits your farm and your philosophy. Take time to think about what matters most to you. Real stories show how different choices work. Dave, a large Iowa farmer, uses GMOs for efficiency and yield. Higher seed costs are offset by bigger harvests and less labor. Maria, an organic grower in California, sticks to non-GMO for her brand and customers, using labor-intensive methods but earning a premium. Tom, a home gardener, saves seeds and grows heirlooms for flavor and tradition, not profit. Each found success their own way. Dave chose technology for scale. Maria chose tradition for her market. Tom chose heritage for passion. None are wrong. They just have different goals and definitions of success. There's more than one way to grow good food. So, GMO or non-GMO? There's no single answer. The best growers are pragmatists. They use what works, mixing old-school wisdom with new tech. The future is in the middle ground, using technology to support good stewardship, not replace it. Be curious. Experiment. Talk to neighbors. Read the research. Don't let fear or ideology make your choices. Let results speak for themselves. The responsibility to be a good steward is yours. Whether you choose a wrench or a hammer, build something that lasts. Share your stories, successes, and failures. In that shared knowledge lies the path to a smarter, healthier way to farm.